In this video, I'll show you how you can mention someone in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I am here on this channel and it has quite a number of members. However, I'd like to write a message and mention one of the member. You can simply do this. I want to add a name or an email associated with someone. Just go ahead and press down Shift and 2 on your keyboard and you'll see all the names of the channel members. And for instance, if I select this, now you can see the name has been highlighted. So you can continue. And then once you're done, you can now send. So that's how you can mention someone in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.